Hello, Michael Jackson dancers. Rory Jackson here. I'm just want to show you a uh, Michael Jackson foot shuffle and how it actually works. Because it is a very tricky, flicky one, and hopefully you'll understand this as I show it to you. I'm just going to give you a step-by-step way to do it and how he actually did it. Because obviously it's a very quick move that he does, and he does it in a split second, and it's very difficult to gauge what the actual technique is. But it's very simple and straightforward. It's just done in a way you can't really see how it's done. So I'm just going to show that with you just now. I've levelled this out just so then you can actually see what my legs are doing up close. So this is how the Michael Jackson foot shuffle goes. This is just the basic version. And how it starts, I'm not going to go into too much detail because there's so many different ways you could do this move. But it starts off with your toe, so it's sort of like you step in, toe on the floor. So you just put in there, all your weight on this leg still, and then you're turning on your heel and then stepping, only demi-stepping, like you're not putting all your weight on this leg, because then that just completely knock you off balance, because it's more of a slide, but we'll get into that. So it's toe, turn, so you're just sort of like rolling onto your heel and then just skimming the floor with your toe as you put it back. So it should look like this. And then you do the same thing, this leg, so this is already turned out. By then you're literally just rolling over and you're turning your whole leg. So it's not your foot, it's your whole leg, and then toe down. And usually, if you're doing this very quickly, you always, instead of going like this, that, you're stepping there, because you're going to move this foot here and then you're going to flick this foot out, which is you're just extending that like you would a kung fu kick, but on the floor. You're just skimming the floor, and then so from I'll just do it again. 1, 2, kick, then turn. Once more. So there's all different ways you could do this. You could do it more of a like hopping way, or you could do it more of a. So as you get good at that, but these are the basic steps. So don't try and do anything else until you've got that. And then you can make it all fancy and do it in all different types of rhythms to all different types of songs. But usually, this just it's more coordination and that. And if you actually see what my feet are actually doing, when I do it in my socks, I'm not actually tapping, I'm gliding it. So I'm pretty much just skimming the floor, keeping all my weight on the centre leg. So my weight goes on this leg, then that leg. So I'm doing it in that motion. So weight on this leg, that leg, that leg, that leg. So whatever leg you've got in the middle, that's what you're supporting yourself with. And this is moving, and remember you're turning your whole leg down, 1, down, give you a side view. And out like that, pull this leg there, so you diverted your weight from this leg to that leg, step out, flick. I was just about to go into another move then, that's force of habit, sorry, I'm on tour at the moment. So that's basically the Michael Jackson foot shovel. So practice that, practice often. Leave some comments below, let us know how you get on.